what messages actually help teams feel supported during AI rollout?
Be transparent with them. What are our goals? Where do we see you in this picture?
Yep.
Where do we think this can be important to your
Yep.
transformation in the process?
Yep.
And having them be part of it. It's much better when you're doing messaging and be much more successful if you're not just doing it to them,
Right.
where they feel very activated with
Right.
it. It's a double-edged sword in that space, right?
Right.
If you're completely transparent with what's going right and going wrong,
Right.
you then have to help them in the messaging of, look, we know that this
Right.
isn't perfect.
Right.
This is an iterative process,
Yep.
and we need you to put your value into this process to help us create a tool that's going to work. And ultimately, getting that commitment of, we want this to work. We
Yep.
want it to work because it should be important to you. It will be elevating what you're doing.
Yep.
And so it's, transparency is that key. Collaboration is key.
Yep.
And just really saying, this is iterative. We're all learning. And so it really is that commitment of messaging of, we're going to tell you like it is. We're going to include your voice in what is happening, and we're going to build it together.
Awesome.